Move it. Alright, so if you guys are looking for a great bag to carry around all your groceries, not only groceries, but another thing I found out that very interesting, a lot of vendors sell small stuff. You can carry your stuff. You go into events, you want to take your stuff to, you can carry it in here. Now, I like the Velcro on it that you could tie in 2 different layers. I like the little pull string that they have so you can secure your stuff in here. Plenty of space, deep space, even fits my whole entire thing. But the best part about it, you don't even need to, you could take out the bag and use it as a regular dolly too. Not only that, say you're having a bad day, you could easily just enjoy it as a seat too. That's another great option that you can do. And let me show you the whole full setup, right? So there's a little area button here that you push the button down, but that's to bring actually the latch down, all right? All right, there is some locks that you do. It's a lock right here, and this will actually collapse the entire thing by holding it down, collapsing it, the entire thing. Now just make sure that the wheels are sticking out when you do that, so you can lock it in place. All right, and then what you could do is lock that in place. So it's a really small setup. The bag is the largest, it's larger than that, but look at the setup. Like I said, you could remove the bag by just moving it out. So the bag has Velcro here in the bottom and then the top, but this thing grabs onto the actual bag. The whole thing is collapsible, and of course you're ready to go, take it out. The wheel itself in the back, just make sure that you open it up completely. The front wheels have to be facing down. If they don't move, it's because they're still locked in. When you hear a snap, if your wheels are not moving, like here, it's because they're not locking completely. Just make sure you're aware of that. Once you got that set up, you're ready to go. So let me show you a little bit of the inside. First of all, for your keys, change, and other stuff, there's a zipper bag in here. Another one greeted right in the side here, if you guys can see that. And it has plenty of space for your belongings. You can put your napkins, your money. Look at that. We have some money in here. We could set up extra stuff that you have. You make sales, you can put them in there. Plenty of room for a lot of luggage, a lot of different time items that your sales or groceries. Now there's some side pockets that you should be aware. One side pocket will be for water bottles, and then you have another one here on the other side. So 2 side pockets, and then of course the zippers. All right, so button, very simple to collapse. There's a lock feature that you got to be aware to unlock the actual wheels, and it's in the front. And then the wheels, the 2 front wheels have locks too in place that you can lock it if you don't want this thing to be movable. Very simple out of the box. I hope you guys enjoy the video.